ay paano kami maniniwala sa rule of law, attorney?
Sir,
Ha?
sir, hindi pinapatunayan nga niya po.
Ay, anong patunay? Ay, anong patunay?
He is actually, through our pleadings po, he is insisting on his innocence po doon sa motion for reconsideration. Ang problema lang kasi natin, Sir Nolly, is yung ating mindset po, kailangan talaga nandun siya physically present. The accused
Yes,
also
yes.
has the right, the option po, to insist on his innocence. Choice po niya yun without surrendering. That is within our rule of law po, Sir Nolly. Siguro hindi maintindihan masyado sa mga non-lawyers, pero it is within our rule of law po na option niya yon, questionin niya yung information, invalid yun, yung warrant of arrest, questionin. At kung ma-deny, pwede kami aakyat sa Court of Appeals. At kung mag-grant po ng Court of Appeals na invalid pala yung information at saka